I will explain you how to fork a project and check out in your local PC. So once your project lead or project manager shared a project with you, so in your Git labs you can see the project over here. So in my case, my repository name is test repo 1. So click on the project. Once you entered in the project, in the right side you can see the fork option. So once you click this fork option, it will create a branch for you like this. So with my name, so it will create a branch. Then it will give me a my clone URL. So normally it will take some time. Okay, so you can see my name over here and project, and this is completely my branch. Okay, so here you can click on the clone, then you can copy this URL and go to your folder where you want to check out that. Right click, git bash here, and type git clone, paste the URL, press enter. See, this is how you can take a fork and you can check out the project. Thank you.